In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple pages in Canva, a skill that can be incredibly useful if you're working on complex designs or simply trying to organize your projects more efficiently. This process is quite straightforward, and with these simple steps, you'll have it mastered in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your project in Canva. Once you've got your design open, glance down towards the bottom area of your screen. There you'll find a variety of small icons and tools that offer different functions for your project. The icon we're looking for today resembles a grid. By selecting this grid icon, you will be presented with a view of all the pages within your current design. This makes it easier to pick and choose exactly which pages you want to focus on. It's especially handy if you're dealing with a design that spans numerous pages. Now that you've clicked on the grid icon and have a full view of your pages, it's time to learn how to select multiple pages. The key to mastering this is understanding how to use your keyboard in conjunction with your mouse or trackpad. This might sound a bit complex at first, especially if you're not used to it, but I assure you it's very simple. You'll need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Do this while simultaneously using your mouse or trackpad to click on the pages you wish to select. As you click each page while holding down the Shift key, you'll notice they become highlighted or selected. This is Canva's way of telling you that it's got your pages selected and ready to be manipulated together. An important note here, if you accidentally select a page you didn't mean to, don't worry. You can simply click it again with the Shift key still held down and it will deselect. This method of selection ensures that you have complete control over exactly which pages you're working with, minimizing any need for cumbersome backtracking or adjustments later on. After you've selected all the pages you want, you can go ahead with whatever action you intend to do next. Whether it's organizing, deleting, or shifting your pages around, having the ability to select multiple pages at once can genuinely save a lot of time and effort, making your design process smoother and more efficient. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to select multiple pages in Canva effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to experiment with this method to see just how it fits into your design workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out more of our guides for all your design needs.